Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick vegetable stock. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Don't forget aromatic herbs like parsley stems and a bay leaf or 2 for depth. Ensure all your vegetables are clean and roughly chopped. There's no need for precise cuts here, as we're extracting flavor. Next, lightly sauté your chopped vegetables in a large pot with a tablespoon of oil for about 5 to 7 minutes until slightly softened. This step helps to deepen their flavor. Then, add about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring all your ingredients are fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Allow your stock to simmer gently, uncovered, for about 30 to 45 minutes. This crucial time lets all the wonderful flavors infuse into the water, creating a rich base. Once simmering is complete, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Using a fine mesh sieve, strain the liquid into a clean, heat-proof container, discarding the cooked vegetables. Finally, let your freshly made vegetable stock cool completely to room temperature before storing. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safety. Once cooled, portion the stock into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or freeze it for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.